Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to navigate SPSS. And last time we looked at data entry in SPSS. You can look out for the video. It is on YouTube and it is on TikTok. So today let's learn how to navigate SPSS as well as importing data in SPSS. So when you open your SPSS interface, it looks like this. So every time you open a software for SPSS, the interface looks like this. So we have down here, data view, we have variable view, we have this menu, which has file, edit, view, data. So when you want to import your data in SPSS, you come to File and you say Import. Your data can be in any format. It can be in database, it can be in Excel, it can be in CSV format. So every time you want to import your data, first see which format is your data in, and then you can come here and select the right format. But then we also have open. You can open in case your data is already in SPSS format. You just come here and you open. Or in case you have a syntax, you come here and open syntax. We are going to know what a syntax is. So our data we are going to import today is in Excel. So I'll come to File, Import, then Excel. When I come to Excel, I am going to look for my file. Then there are options here, opening and pasting. So I am going to choose paste. So here, this shows up, and here they say OK or paste. So we are going to first paste and you see what happens. So I'll paste. So when I paste, you remember what we talked about a syntax. This command is going to come in the syntax. And for you to see the data you have imported, you will have to select it and then run. Running it is this green triangle here. So you right click it and then your data comes. So the variables are here. This is variable view. So when you go to data view, our data looks like this. Then when you come to variable view, our variables look like this. So there you can start your analysis because you've imported the data. Now, what do we do when you want to see your syntax window, which has the commands? So every time you want to make a syntax file, instead of saying OK, you say paste. So it is here we have it. We can always save this syntax and you're going to see how helpful it is. So I'm going to save it on desktop. And I save it. So even when I close all these windows, I'm going to close everything. Like in my output, I don't have anything, so I wouldn't like to save it. I don't want to save anything here, so I've closed. When I come back to my SPSS, I'm going to see what happens. So when I come back to my SPSS, and I've made my syntax. Here we are looking at the importance of the syntax. I'll just come to File, Open, and then I come to my Open, then Syntax. So syntax, you see how it looks like? I saved it on desktop. So I'll open it, and my command is going to come. I don't need to look for the other data to import it. This command is going to come back even if I had done some analysis and I've been pasting. All the commands will be here, and I'll just select all of them. Then I run them. I say the run button is the green triangle up, and I run, and I'll be able to get my data. As you're going to see, our data will have to come. But I'm going to show you what happens when you click OK. So I'm going to close all of this and open SPSS again. So in case I come and I import my data, Excel, come to Excel to import my data. Open. And then I just say OK instead of paste. When I say OK instead of paste, I am not going to have a syntax window. So my command is not kept. That means even when I do, even when I want to save a syntax, there is no syntax to save because I have not been pasting my commands. So when you paste, you're basically pasting your commands, and you can save it anytime. You can open your SPSS, just run those commands, and you get all the results of the analysis you've done. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for listening. And in case of any comment, you can write it down in the comment section. In case you want clarification, also write down in the comment section. So kindly subscribe.